Hi, in this video we're going to rewrite expressions with a variable in the denominator as something where the x is not in a fraction, so x to the power of something. It's probably going to be a negative index, as we'll see in a second. So let's take this expression here. We've got 3 over 8 x to the 4. Now we could rewrite this as 3 over 8, so just the numbers that are involved, multiplied by 1 over x to the 4, like this, yeah? Because if you were to multiply these fractions together, the 3 times the 1 is 3, and 8 times x to the 4 is 8x to the 4. So what you want to do is you want to kind of take that x to the 4 and write it as 1 over a power of x instead, because we can then rewrite this as using negative indices. Now, remember in the previous video, we saw that when we have 1 over and then some power of x, what happens is that we actually have a negative index. So it'll be x to the power of minus 4, because remember, x to the minus 4 would mean 1 over and then the same powers, but with a positive index instead. So x to the power of positive 4. Yep. So that would actually be the final answer. But let's just give you another example. If we had, for example, 5 over 7x to the power of 3, then what we can do is we can almost like sort of bring the sort of x to the 3 out of the fraction from the denominator. But when you do so, it gives it a negative index instead, because we're effectively bringing the sort of x to the 3 to the top of this fraction. So when we do, we're going to have 5/7, because you can see the 5/7 here. So you're going to have x to the power of minus 3. You could put the x to the minus 3 actually in the numerator of the fraction, but it's slightly better to put it outside, particularly because in this form here, it's saying it wants in the form something times by a power of x, which is exactly what we got here, a number times a power of x.